alumnus, told me before the game that he was one of the first players to experience playing all 5 years in the UAAP.
Wow.
Siya daw yung first batch na naka-experience nun. Kasi dati daw, 4 years lang ang max ng eligibility ng player. Yeah.
So they tried that 5 years eligibility, and he was one of the first actually to.
Yeah, first batch daw siya. Giselle Tan, the future first setter for Ateneo, gets a good smile from Jem Ferrer, 2-time best setter of the UAAP.
You're lucky to be mentored by one of the game's best right now, no? Jem Ferrer. Good block. Tejada.
Bea Tan, second libero, also in the ball game for Coach Roger Gorayev.
Tan gets caught for a crossing violation and hitting the net as well. That's the disadvantage of Tan being a short setter. Hindi niya pwedeng unahan at daanin sa talon yung pag matataas yung bola or pag over yung dating ng reception. He really has to wait. Good attack from the back row from Eliza.
Now this is something that Eliza is doing a lot more here in this brand new season, attacking from the back row. You know, watching the champion teams of Coach Roger Gorayev in San Sebastian, he had those players that attack on the back row. And for the first time, we're seeing it more prominently here in Ateneo in the form of Eliza Valdez.
Very capable of doing that. That's number one. And if you can get the same angle and the same power as if you hit it from the front row, then it's really a very, very good option for your players to hit from the back row. And Eliza is one of the rare players that we have here in the UAP that can provide that in her attack. So kung may option na ganon, why not?
Such a phenomenal player, Eliza Valdez, in just her sophomore season here in the UAAP. UE trying to stay alive, down by 8. Tan,
that's
back
too low.
set. Zihar Vasho back in the game, along with Gretchen Ho.
It's a bit low. Was the set of Tan to Z. Ayan, huli na. Ayan, pagtama ng bola, ng kamay ni Z sa bola, ka-level na yung tape ng net.
Giselle Tan gets it to Jorella. Bea Tan pops it up. We go for a quick hit to Ho. Long rally we're having here. Combination. And Hervasio getting the point for Ateneo as they close in on win number 2 here. UAAP season 75. Another substitution. Another prize recruit for Coach Roger Gorayev in the ball game, Jaira May Llaneta. 3 rookies, all in all, for Ateneo. 11 holdovers on the squad that made it to the finals last year. So the only veterans on the floor right now, 5th-year players, Ho and Hervasio. Jorella De Jesus, on the other hand, is a 3rd-year player.
Llaneta with a good dig. Gretchen didn't expect that from Tan.
It's going to be a free ball here for the Lady Warriors. Masangkay, it's a back set.
Long rally.
Tan gets it to Ho.
Still alive. This one is going outside. Guevara sends it in.
19-12. Now we get to see the Zihar Vasho patented toss
And I like what Coach Roger is doing right now. Sinasabi niya kay Tan, hinga na malalim. Hinga na malalim. Kasi nakita niya parang natitense eh. Nagsistiffen up and parang nagkakagulado din niya. Sabi niya, napitan niya. Sabi niya, hinga na malalim. Hinga na malalim. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan ng player huminga eh. Kailangan ipaalala.
Lalo na pag rookie, sobrang excited maglaro.
Very, very true and commonly happens.
Bea Tan digs it up. Giselle Tan pops it up to Lianeta, and that's a point.
First point of her career.
She gets a little shove there from a teammate, playful shove.
And Coach Roger giving instructions from the sidelines near Hervasio. Up to serve.
Making sure that they finish the job this time around. Z Hervasio.
Ganda.
Very sharp angle there on that serve. 23 service aces in the elimination round for Z in season 74.
Uy!
I can recall last year, Doc Ian, especially when there were games that the crowd was really intense, like say a UST game or an Ateneo LaSalle game, the crowd would jeer behind Z. And Z would stop doing that patented Z Hervasio toss and just go with a regular toss.
Serve. Yeah. She had that
A safer
backup serve,
Yeah, a safer serve.
That's right. She had 2 serves last year. Of course, with that jump serve, she gets a lot more power behind it and a better chance of scoring an ace. But if that fails or becomes inconsistent, then she has the backup regular floater kind of a serve. That's more percentage-wise must safe go in during those very, very crucial times of a match.
And at times when she's getting jeered by the crowd, and it's getting hard to concentrate.
And
match point for Ateneo.
Everyone's looking at you and everyone's wishing that you missed the serve.
Z from the back row. Masangkay keeps it alive for UE. Joust at the top. Lianeta pops it up. She gets it back from the elevator. Hervasio back to Lianeta. They're letting the rookie go to work.
Oh!
That one goes out, and that is it. Ateneo notches win number 2 in season 75 of the brand new women's volleyball tournament in the UAAP.
Very consistent play from Ateneo, not letting the third set slip, just like the last time. Learned their lesson from that first match, and kita mo ito, tinapos agad in 3 sets.
Some of the veterans, like Phil Caillet and A. Nakachi, Denise Lazaro, didn't even have to suit up for the third set for the Lady Eagles to wrap this one up. 3-0, Ateneo. Lady Eagles notch win number 2. We'll be back to put the finishing touches on this volleyball game.
Champion lahat sa Barkada Nights this Christmas.
The show must go on.
Champion ang mga bata.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I'm Buzz Lightyear.
Okay, I'm officially freaked out.
Champion ang matatanda.
We'll be halted by 3 speed.
Champion ang mga teenagers.
What makes you think we're getting diplomas?
Champion ang family members.
You're not Santa anymore.
At yung mga pets. Champion!
All right, everyone. Let's tidy things up.
Kaya dito ka na sa Studio 23 dahil dito, champion ang Pasko mo. Susunod sa Legend of the Seeker.
Dark and roll.
Delightful.
May bumabalimbing.
You heard me. I'm willing to kill for you.
Somebody there?
Make me vainly.
Oh, hindi! Legend of the Seeker, Sabado alas 8:30 ng gabi, dito sa Studio 23. Iba Kabarkada.
And we have arrived at the conclusion of our first volleyball game on this Wednesday afternoon. Ateneo defeating UE to notch win number 2, 25-16 in the first set, 25-13 in sets 2 and 3. Courtside reporter Selena Dagdag is with our best player of the game, the 22-year-old from Bacolod City, Phil Caillet.
Dami mong fans. All right, Phil, you guys played a very good game today. You guys started strong and finished strong. Sa tingin mo, why do you think your system worked well today?
I think we were able to focus well in our games. We were able to execute our plays, and we had a change in character that every game is important, every game counts. So there.
So, Philly, ang dami-dami mong fans. For sure, meron kang gustong batiyan. Sino ba yung mga gusto mo batiyan?
First of all, sobrang ganda po ni Ella De Jesus. Sobrang po talaga ganda-ganda ni Ella. And then, happy birthday to Gerald Quintana. And then, hi to my family and friends. Hi to my cousins and my classmates in Buscom S28. And thank you to Pochi Bar. Thank you to Father Debbie for watching. And Mrs. Stan and all the parents. Thank you. Hi, mga kaiba.
Thank you, Philly, and congratulations. Back to you, Anton and Ian.
That was Phil Gainlet.
Enjoying that interview. And she's always been like that. No? Very, very funny and always finds humor in whatever she does. And that's a good quality of a leader, fifth-year player for Ateneo.
And a good win for Phil Gainlet and the rest of the Lady Eagles, notching win number 2 against UE. Coming up next.
Yan na.
The hosts of this year's tournament, NU, coming off a heartbreaking loss to Adamson, looking to bounce back. It's going to be a tough one because they're taking on UST, coming off a huge win against LaSalle. Your thoughts on this game?
This is going to be an exciting one. I'm sure NU, remember, they're fielding in Dindin Santiago, who came out of the UST high school program.
Yes.
So let's see what's going to happen. And like what we've said, itong NU, they're the hosts this year, and they want to get their first win, and I'm sure they don't mind getting it against UST.
All right, so stick around for this matchup between the UST Tigresses and the NU Lady Bulldogs coming up. Only here on Studio 23, but on behalf of our director Raul De Ocampo, courtside reporters Judy Saril, Selena Dagdag, and of course, my partner Doc Ian Laurel, I'm Anton Ross saying thank you so much for tuning in to our exclusive ABS-CBN sports coverage of the Women's Volleyball Tournament of Season 75 of your UAAP.